In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up a Be Engaged workflow. This is a bit of an intricate process, but we're going to take it one step at a time. Setting up a workflow is a great way for your group to create a seamless approval process within Be Engaged, whether that's for event requests, financial approvals, and more. This will allow team members to get notified when their approval or another action is needed once certain forms are submitted. After logging into Be Engaged, you'll head to your group and then click the Workflows section under Surveys and Forms on the left-hand menu. This is where your workflows will be listed. If you don't have any listed yet, we're going to change that right now. To get started, click the purple Create Workflow button at the top right of your screen. There will be a purple pop-up that appears entitled Create/Edit a Workflow. Give your workflow a name, a description, and decide if you want your workflow to restart if a submission changes. Once you're done, click the purple Save button at the bottom right of the pop-up. Now you'll click the name of the workflow to access its back end and further edit its steps. To edit the steps listed in front of you, select the three little dots to the right of Step 1 and then click Edit from the drop-down menu. You should see a purple pop-up appear yet again where you can edit the first step of your workflow. You'll give this step a name, a description, decide on a transition, meaning when it moves from pending to approval, whether this step is active by default, and if you want additional notifications set up when the step is activated. Once you're done, click the purple Save button at the bottom right of the pop-up. We're going to create another step as well by following the same process we just did. Next, you need to set up teams that are responsible for approving these steps of the workflow. To do that, click Edit Teams next to the first step in order to add users to the approving team. You should see the Workflow Teams page pop up, and on this page, to get started, select the purple Create Team button. On the next pop-up window that appears, entitled Create/Edit a Team, type the name of your team and decide if you want the team to be dynamic or not. This option lets you dynamically select approvers for this workflow team. So we'll choose Yes, and then click the purple Save button at the bottom right. The new team should be automatically added to this step. If it's not, just select the button next to Add to Step. Now, select the gray Edit Participants button to add people to your team. In the blue Select Users pop-up that appears, type the pods of your team members in the box, and then click them from the drop-down. If their name doesn't come up with their pods, try to type their last name into the system. If the person is a Binghamton University student, faculty, or staff member, their name should pop right up. Once you're done adding team members, click the blue OK button, and you should now see the team member displayed next to the team name. We also need to create another team for our other workflow step. So we're going to exit this pop-up and head to this other step. Click Edit Teams and follow the same steps to create yet another team. This will be the in-person approval team as opposed to the virtual approval team we created before. It's already added to this step, so now we'll just add our participant. We'll click OK, select OK again, and we're set. You can repeat all those steps for as many approval steps in Teams as are needed in your approval process or workflow. Just make sure to click the Save button after every change. If you don't need them, make sure to delete the other workflow steps listed to clean up the back end of your workflow. Once your workflow is set up, you have to connect it to the approval form, which you should have created already. To do that, we'll head over to the left-hand menu and click Surveys and Forms. Scroll down your forms list to find the appropriate approval form. Once you've found it, head to the three little dots and from the drop-down, select Settings. Scroll down the Settings pop-up on this first Basic Information page to the Approval Workflow section. Next to Select a Workflow Template, we're going to choose Event Approvals from the drop-down. Feel free to adjust the settings here next to Block Resubmission for approval status as needed. Finally, click the purple Save button at the bottom of the pop-up. If you want the notifications piece of the workflow, make sure to also set up workflow-based logics within your approval form. But other than that, you're all set.